Spotting the real Chris Cuomo on YouTube is trickier than telling identical twins apart. If one twin was secretly a robot. These days, anyone can slap Chris Cuomo's name on a channel and presto, instant confusion. But here's how you can spot the real deal. First, check the channel name for that shiny verification checkmark. If it's missing, you might be looking at a copycat. Second, peek at the content. Is it high-quality news clips, interviews, and town halls? Or is it, bizarre AI deepfakes or someone ranting in their car? Next, take a glance at the subscriber count. The real Chris Cuomo's channel will have way more followers than some random imposter with 5 subscribers and a blurry profile pic. Also, look for links to official websites or social media in the channel's About section. Real channels love to show off their connections. And if you see Chris interviewing Donald Trump live, you can bet you're in the right place. So double check before you dive in and don't let AI trickery fool you. Stay smart out there.